Ever wonder why some people seem to build wealth effortlessly while others struggle to make ends meet? The difference lies in their approach to money. In this video, you'll learn 5 money rules the rich live by that most people simply don't understand. Stick around for all 5 because these insights could reshape your financial future. Rule 1. Make your money work, not show it off in debt. The rich understand this critical truth. It's not about flaunting wealth, it's about making your money work for you. While many people spend their hard-earned cash on flashy items to impress others, self-made millionaires focus on living below their means. Take a look at how they manage their finances. Instead of buying the largest luxury car or upgrading to an oversized house, they invest their money. Every dollar saved on unnecessary expenses is redirected into stocks, real estate, or businesses that grow their wealth over time. Here's why this works. Low expenses create room for higher savings. Those savings can then be turned into investments, which generate passive income. This cycle continues until they have enough money to fund the lifestyle they desire without relying on a paycheck. The next time you are tempted to splurge on something flashy, ask yourself, will this build wealth or just impress people temporarily? Rule 2. Build assets, not toys. Here's a mindset shift that wealthy individuals embrace. Assets build wealth, while toys drain it. Instead of filling their lives with things that depreciate, they focus on acquiring assets that generate income or grow in value. For example, the rich invest in rental properties that provide monthly cash flow or dividend-paying stocks that grow over time. A luxury car or recreational vehicle might offer short-term enjoyment, but a well-chosen investment property provides financial security and potential appreciation. This doesn't mean the wealthy don't enjoy luxuries. It means they prioritize. Asset comes first, toys come later, and only when they are financially secure enough to afford them without jeopardizing their financial future. Remember, the goal isn't to die with the most toys, it's to live with the most freedom. Rule 3. Leverage debt wisely. Debt isn't the enemy, but how you use it makes all the difference. The rich understand the distinction between good debt and bad debt. Good debt is used to acquire income-generating assets like rental properties or businesses. For example, a mortgage on a rental property is considered good debt because the rent covers the loan payments, taxes, and maintenance, and often leaves extra income. Over time, the property's value grows and the tenants effectively pay down the loan. Bad debt, on the other hand, is what drains your resources. Financing a new car or putting a vacation on a credit card are classic examples. These purchases don't generate income and often lead to financial strain. Here is the takeaway. Rich people use debt strategically to grow their wealth. They ensure the assets they acquire generate enough income to not only cover the debt but also provide a return. Meanwhile, those who struggle financially often use debt to acquire liabilities, creating a cycle that's hard to break. Rule 4. Think in decades, not days. The rich play the long game. They know that wealth isn't built overnight, it's built over decades. While some people chase quick wins, like risky day trading or speculative cryptocurrency trends, the wealthy stick to proven strategies that deliver consistent results over time. This mindset lets them stay calm during market downturns, avoid panic selling, and focus on building systems that grow their wealth steadily. It's the same approach they apply to their businesses and careers. Instead of seeking immediate rewards, they prioritize developing skills, nurturing relationships, and creating value, all of which pay off in the long run. Remember, wealth building isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. The sooner you adopt a long-term perspective, the faster you will see results. Rule 5. Commit to lifelong learning. The wealthy understand that education doesn't end with a diploma. It's a lifelong pursuit. They constantly seek new knowledge, whether through books, seminars, or mentorships. This isn't limited to financial topics. They study psychology to better understand market behavior, technology to spot emerging trends, and history to recognize patterns. They surround themselves with advisors and peers who challenge and expand their thinking. The world is constantly evolving, and the rich know that standing still means falling behind. By committing to lifelong learning, they stay ahead of the curve and continuously uncover new opportunities. Building wealth isn't about luck or secret formulas. It's about consistently applying these 5 rules. The gap between the wealthy and the broke often comes down to mindsets and habit. So which of these principles resonated with you the most? Let me know in the comments below. Want to learn more about wealth building? Check out my video on the top ETFs for big gains. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to help others discover these 5 powerful money rules. Until next time, stay financially savvy. See you in the next video.